I was logged into Zoom and I noticed there is a new version available. So I'm going to update it. I haven't made one of these videos in a while, so I'm going to show you just how easy it is to update Zoom on your laptop, on your desktop, on your PC. I'm about to do that now. I click on Update and it tells me what version is available, version 5.7.3, and that I'm currently on 5.6.6. And so there are some enhancements here, changes to existing features. I'm not even going to read through all of them, but they are there. That they also fix minor bugs. Now, maybe you wouldn't have even noticed what those bugs were, but always worth updating. So I'm just going to click that update button and watch this. So you would not be doing this update during a Zoom meeting. You want to do this before you join a meeting. And there we go. It's done the download. Then I click on install. And it says, okay, do you want to continue? Yep. Where do you want to install it to? I'm just going to go with whatever it's already got. The default location. Have to type in my password. That's my password for my laptop, not password for Zoom. And as you can see, it's a really straightforward process. I'm not doing anything, I'm just chatting. And there we go, the installation was successful, and we'll be able to check our version of Zoom right now. I'll just go and open Zoom. And you can see here, so I'm in Zoom, and if I go up here, up to the top left, and About Zoom, I can just click on there, About Zoom, and that shows me what version of Zoom I'm running. And sure enough, it's 5.7. Okay, 5.7.3. Now, the other thing I should show you is that you can also just check for updates here. So you don't have to do it the way that I showed you. And you can just check for updates. And if there are any updates, once again, it's going to tell you to hit the update button or else you're at the latest version. And then you're done. Nice and easy. So all done. I'll quit out of Zoom. But if there are new features, new menus or menu options or things like this, then I should see them in the latest version.